guys, I know I look crazy, but it's because we left Nairobi so early. We are already in Nakuru and we are in this Airbnb right here, which I think I should give you a tour. But before then, we are getting the car washed. Like quickly, we are about to go to where the party is in a few. So the car was so dirty because it was raining in the morning. Alafu you said Limuru, you couldn't really see the road because of the fog. So I'm having it cleaned, and yeah, this is the place. Like, it's so serene, you guys. It's so beautiful. I love how it looks. Like, yeah, so nice. The gate, and yeah. So huku ndani kwenye tuko ni sitting room. It's a mess, but will do. This is how the place looks. We are watching the graduation here because we couldn't enter, like all of us inside there. The dining is right there. Like, it's so nice. And then the first bedroom, it's a 3 bedrooms. Second bedroom, here you have the bathroom and toilet. That's my sis. This is the kitchen. Yeah, we will do that. And this is the other bedroom. So yeah, looks really okay. So we are waiting to get our makeup done by my sis, my talented sister. There she is. So yeah, let's wait and see, and then change, because this isn't what I'm wearing. As I shared, jana, I bought some clothes, so that's what we're going to wear. I already did them in the washing machine and dried, alafu nika iron. So yeah, let's wait for that. Hey Chalma, you look lovely. You look lovely. Yeah. We've started on the makeup.
Mr. Kerage Peter Misiani, Kenya Revenue Authority.
Let's go 5 more.
One Salam John. Warrant of that class.
Which bag you want to make up?
Senior Sergeant Adino.
Are you down there? Why? Come and
Hey guys, good morning. So it's currently on Monday today, Yesterday I slept the whole day. We came back on Saturday. Yeah, but Saturday at 11 was the time I was getting into the house from Nakuru. We went for a game drive, which took longer than we all thought. It took about 3 hours. Hey, that was a very long drive, but we enjoyed every minute, every part of that drive. We saw so many animals. Like, what? Kenya is really beautiful. So today, being a Monday, I'm headed out. I have a lot of work. I haven't caught up since on Thursday, because Friday we were leaving, and when it gets to 5 p.m. I hardly check my phone to answer messages, because most of the time I have to write a few things down, and when I'm driving when I'm in a matatu, it's very hard for me to do that. That said, I have a consignment that got in on Saturday. I wasn't around, so I couldn't clear it and bring it to town, but today I'm headed there. That's what I want to go do in town. And then when the camera was being made, kutengenezwa, I asked the guy, I asked the guy if he could buy this camera. Now I have this other Canon here that I have had for a long time, about 6 years. I hardly ever use it, so I asked if he could buy. He asked me to take it to him and see if it works. So it has this lens, and then the lens was very expensive, about 30 ama 50 G's, about that, and that's a long time ago. The camera itself was about 50, so I'm hoping I can get some good cash if I manage to sell it. And then I have this bag that came with the camera. I don't use it as much nowadays as I used to. Kitambo. My love for cameras. Anyway, now I can't film with this. Now I want also to sell this one, but I'll not be selling to him, because I know he'll buy very cheaply. So yeah, I'm headed to town to do those two things mainly, and of course to work here and there. And yeah, I have also a few jackets that I got. Now the reason I'm holding this camera like this is because there's one screw that fell. I can't find it. Anyway, I have this jacket right here. It's a black jacket. I love jackets. I love jackets, and when I saw this, in fact, easy in Nimtush, but they are really nice. I'm gonna wear them in the course of the week, of course, and vlog with them on. But yeah, that's the best I can do, because I'm holding the camera. I have to hold this camera like this because it's turning like a screen. I need to go get a screw to screw it where it's holding the flip, what do I call it, screen for the camera. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it. Let's go about our day today. Yep, see you in town. Guys, it's actually the next day. Yesterday I didn't manage to go and get the stuff from the cargo, but it's here right now, and the rain that's outside, the boxes look, let me just share a clip of the boxes, and then we unbox and see what it is. I actually don't know what one box has, but I know what the other one has, so let's unbox. Here they are. They look so much soaked in water because zimekuja na mvua. We rice. You can put your rice. You can put your flour. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I love this. Wow. Danny. So this is the other one. These, oh, these are tumblers. Yes, love it. This. Ah, nice. Love that. So these are the colors that have come, same as last time. I was expecting these ones. These ones actually arrived last week on Friday, but I wasn't around. On Friday, I must at home. I wasn't around, so these are the colors that came. And the straws usually come packed separately because they can't fit inside that box like that. So these ones, I'm glad they are finally here. Zimeka lakini si sana, but yep. Hey y'all, so I'm making dinner for the girls, and here I have this paprika and I have salt that I have mixed in together with ginger and garlic, mixed in here because I want to make fish fingers. These are fish strips. It was initially a fillet, but I've made it, I've cut it into smaller strips to make sure that it's the perfect size. And then I have my eggs right there, and soon enough get flour and then deep fry everything, of course, and now the eggs. So let's cook that up. So right here I have my flour, I have some salt and paprika. I do not have garlic powder or ginger powder, but if I had, I would have added them here, because here I've added ginger and garlic as well to the fish. And mixed spices also, I do not have that, and coriander. So those are things I'm supposed to buy in the course of the week. I don't know, I'm thinking of going to buy them either sides, what is it called? On your way to Kamukonji from Saiza Odeon. I always forget the name of that area. Anyway, where you buy cereals and all that. Hook on. So this one, I'll take a whisk in a few and then whisk it, because I don't think the fork is doing anything. And then here are my eggs, which I'm going to thoroughly beat. And then I'm waiting for bread to make breadcrumbs. I haven't made bread because the kids were away. I didn't have the kids for an entire week. They were at my sister's, but they just came back today. So I think this is good. Let me wait for the nini to come, for the bread to come, and then make sure that I've made my breadcrumbs, because when you're making fish fingers, you need the breadcrumbs, and I do not buy breadcrumbs if I have pans and a blender, because you can make them at home. Like, it's so easy. have our breadcrumbs. You can now crush them with your bare hands, of course clean hands. And this is how mine looks. It's brown, it's really nice, it's dry, and I can work with this. So all I have to do is now dip the fish fingers or the fillet in flour and then soak it in our egg mixture, and then now we dip it into the breadcrumbs and it's ready to fry. And that's about it. Dip in your egg wash, then dip into your breadcrumbs. Make sure that it's coated in all sides. You can leave it for a while and then do the rest and then come back and fry all of them at once, or you can do it once it's coated, and that will actually speed you up because you do not have more that are going to be deep fried and you're going to get tired or they will burn in the process. So make sure that you have some already soaked in everything and then put them aside, so that as soon as you deep fry some and you have removed that batch, you have more to put it immediately. So yeah, enjoy the video as I cook these fish fingers, which turned out so amazingly. So I've cooked whatever that I could, because these ones have finished. I'll put this in the fridge. This I'll put in an airtight container. Just save whatever like this. It's because I was using my hands. That's why we have such, because of the eggs and the breadcrumbs and this flour. So yeah, in the fridge we can cook these ones tomorrow as they are, in fact. And this one we will use it on a later date. I'll make another one. I'll make some more. My oil is right there. This is the last one. The oil was so hot, so we have that, but the rest are awesome. Well cooked as well. Oh, I'm in love. I don't know. Let me just have a test. This is so good. Have some more. So yeah, that's how you make yourself some fish fingers